I am going to start 12th commerce. The topic is principles of scientific management. We already discussed about what are the concepts of management and important concept, important management, that is the principles of modern management. We already discussed in the last video. I hope you all understand that particular topic. Now we are going to see about principles of scientific management. The principle of scientific management, this theory was suggested by Mr. Frederick Winslow Taylor. Mr. Frederick Winslow Taylor. That increase the overall productivity is analyzing that it is possible to find out what is the best way to implement the problem, what is the best way to accomplish the goal, what is the best way to attain the goal, okay, what is the best way to identify the problem, what is the best way to that is implement the particular solutions, okay, that is particular machines, okay. So this theory having some important concepts, okay. Revaluation. Fourth one, cooperation, not individualism, individualism, okay. Each and every person to his or her efficiency or prosperity. Okay, these are the important concept in principles of scientific management. Science, not rule of thumb. Second concept, harmony, not disorder. Third one, cooperation, not individualism. Development of each and every person to his or her greater efficiency or prosperity. Okay, so science, not rule of thumb. The rule of thumb, it means the manager wants to take any decision, he is a decision maker, the decision is taken by thumb. The rule of thumb means that the decision taken by the manager, it can be, that is as per his personal judgment. Okay, this is one of the most important efficient method and to choice job, and this is one of trial and error method. Okay, and induction of manager. They have to induce, he have to give some full effort to his work, okay. So and also he has taken, he want to take some important decision making decisions. Taylor, that is a Frederick Winslow Taylor, Mr. Frederick Winslow Taylor. It will applicable to small trade organization, small activity in production, that is loading your, that is metals, loading your seeds or metals into the car. Okay, so this is one of this is only related to science. Okay, scientific analysis. Okay, so the manager wants to apply this concept. Okay, then only they have to reduce the time, the wasting the time and the wasting of, that is a labor work. Okay, so that is a very important thing in the science, not rule of thumb. Okay, they want to performing they want to perform, they have to determine, they want to perform, it will give higher output. Okay, so the particular manager wants to apply any that is scientifically analysis concept, so that will help to the management. It will reduce the time and wastage of labor force. Okay, so that is the important thing, the science rule of thumb. Then harmony not disturbed. The harmony is related according to the Taylor, the corporate, that is the management and workers, they have full effort and full input to the work. Okay, so and there is no in case there are arising some conflict, mean in case is there any conflict in the organization, that is management with the that is management between workers, that is no beneficiary, no loss. Okay, so that is a very important thing, the harmony not disorder. Okay, so in this concept, share the parts of profit to the workers, that is a less surplus amount to the workers, and division of work, you have to divide the work, and also some great discipline. Okay, so small effort to the organization, then the sincerity to the organization, that is very important, the harmony not disorder. Okay, so in Japan companies also use this concept. Okay, they won't go on strike because of they have, while doing the work they wear some badge, that is a black badge, that is one of the protest way. Okay, so this is the important concept in harmony not disorder, which means that is both management and workers, they want to work, they want to concentrate, they should concentrate with full cooperation. Okay, so and full effort, give full effort. Okay, so it will help every person, every individual person is having lot of responsibility in organization. They want to increase the profit, they want to increase the productivity. Okay, with full involvement. Okay, so full cooperation, full involvement. Okay, mentally have change. Okay, have change of attitude in the organization. Change of attitude means in update outlook of the organization, update knowledge. Okay, in current situation, some we are facing more economical problem during this time. There is a COVID-19. We are totally lot of people facing lot of economical problem. Okay, so the company wants to give proper beneficiary, proper subsidies to the people. Okay, then only they are maintaining, they are surveying life. That is a change of attitude, change of think. Okay, so gives a total, then only the employees are working towards the organization. Employees are working, that is with the help of making profit. Okay, so mental revaluation. Okay, so most of the companies follow this kinds of concept. Okay, they have to mentally change of attitude, outlook of the organization. It will help reducing the conflict in the organization. Okay, they won't go on strike because of the mutual agreement and mutual cooperation with between the management. Okay, so very important thing in the mental revaluation. Okay. Next, cooperation, not individualism. Cooperation. The cooperation in the sense of both the management and workers, they are working towards in the organization with full cooperation, full involvement. Okay, that is not individual. Every person involved in the work, every persons or every laborers are working towards and attain the goal and achievement of profit. Okay, so they following some concept. Okay, the motivation also with the help with that is also very helpful to the and very important thing in the organization. Okay, so this is one of the tool. Okay, one of the tool motivation is providing to the employers and provide to the laborers. It will help to the profit and help to the that is attain the goal. Okay, so development of each and every person to his or her efficiency prosperity. Development every person's, every laborers or every individual persons, his or her having a lot of efficiency. What do you mean efficiency? He is doing a work with small resource. Okay, it will help small resource and it will high output. Okay, and also it will improve the prosperity of the people. Okay, so efficiency means he is capable, he is doing all the things, are capable of all the things, and with the small resource it will help with it will increase the high turnover, high output. Okay, so and the particular company provided full cooperation, full commitment to the work. Okay, so manager, there are a lot of categories level. Okay, the manager is subordinating all the laborers. So the subordinates will total help to the managers. Every department managers, lot of managers. Okay, so the managers wants to give full motivation to the laborers. Okay, that is very important thing in the development of each and every person to his or her great efficiency and profit. Efficiency, they have full input to the organization. Okay, and effectiveness, he is doing work with a stipulated time, with the help of motivation, with the help of development. Then only the laborers are creating knowledge and laborers are updating knowledge. Okay, so the updated knowledge is converted into the field. Okay, so it's very important thing in the that is the important concept of principle of scientific management. The first one is science not a rule of thumb. The rule of thumb, the particular manager, the production manager can decision taken. Okay, so as per his own personal judgment. Okay, every person have a lot of judgments. Okay, so harmony not disorder, mental revaluation, cooperation not individualism. Okay, harmony not disorder, harmony. Okay, that is absolute harmony. With the help of high productivity, mental evaluation, the change of attitude in the organization. Okay, so update knowledge, updating work. Okay, that is very important in the mental evaluation. Cooperation, with the full cooperation and also with the full input. Okay, with full cooperation, it will give full effort, and that is it will have high turnover. Okay, that is a very important thing in the cooperation, not individualism. Okay, last one, development each other, each and every person to his or her efficiency, give full input, full effort to the organization. Okay, he is capable, he is doing anything, he is doing all the things with small resource. It will give high output. Each and every person his or her efficiency, that is in capabilities. All the every person is having a lot of capabilities. Okay, a lot of efficiencies, lot of talents. Okay, they have to convey the expose our talents, expose our ideas, expose our capabilities, expose the efficiency into the organizations. Okay, so it's a very important thing in the principle of scientific management. Okay, so science not rule of thumb, harmony not disorder, mental evaluation, cooperation not individualism, development of each and every person to his or her great efficiency or prosperity. Okay, so that is also prosperity means, what is prosperity? That is a growth. Okay, growth level. Okay, that is a full happiness. Okay, harmony means, what do you mean harmony? The harmony means he is having ability of doing all the things. Okay, and with in the life, that is the important thing in this lesson, this concept. Okay, our next concept, span of management. What is span of management? The number of subordinates who manage the perfect manner. Okay, number of subordinates who manage the number of subordinates. Okay, the subordinates he is a manager, is a lot of subordinates. Subordinates 1, subordinates 1, then subordinates 2. Okay, that is a perfect manner. Okay, is a manager. Okay, so number of subordinates. Okay, number of, they can be managed perfect manner. Okay, so avoid that complexities, avoid the avoid that is a waste of time. Okay, so every manager wants to the manage subordinates perfect manner. Okay, so that is the span of management. Every organization is having some that is very important concept in every management. Okay, so next, some of the important points in the span of management, that is increase the avoid time. Okay, avoid time, then every okay, there is a reduce time and the complexity of all the manager. They have there is one of the important concept in the span of management. Individual manager job, that is it is very perfect manner. Then avoid the time. Okay, so he can the manager communicate easily to the subordinate. The subordinates also report to the manager. That is very easily way. Okay, that is a span of management. Okay, so I am going to start next concept. Flat structure. Narrow span, tall structure. Okay, the span of management is divided into two. One is this structure, flat structure, tall structure. Okay, the wide span. In the wide span, the number of subordinates, subordinates is more. The manager is single. That is a one or two managers. Okay, so then only the manager, then only they have to convey the information easily, and also there is a way avoid that is a reduced time. Okay, then no, there is no more expenses in this area. This wide span. That is one of the flat structure. Okay, so in narrow span, that is a tall structure. Okay, the manager, so there are lot of managers involved in this structure. Manager 1, manager 2, the manager 3. The manager and also management wants to give more salary to the people. So it will give more expenses. Okay, so avoid have the particular company avoid these kinds of narrow span. Every company wants to implement wide span, that is flat structure. Okay, lot of subordinates. Okay, the subordinates give full report to the top level management. Okay, so this is a very important thing in the span of management. Okay, span of management, number of subordinates who manage perfectly. The manager want to manage the subordinates. Okay, that is perfect manner. With the perfect manner, with full cooperation, with the full involvement, then only it will give high turnover. Okay, high turnover. Avoid expenses. Yeah, he is taking decision making very perfect manner. Okay, that is very neat manner. That is perfect manner. Avoid that is very transparent to the people. Okay, in case the subordinates want to give any suggestion or any grievances to the manager want to convey information to the top level. Okay, that is very important thing in the span of management. Okay, in narrow span means tall structure. Tall structure means the lot of managers, that is few subordinates. Okay, so the subordinates wants to ask any questions or ask any grievances. They have some hesitation. Okay, he is having some hesitation because of lot of manager. Some hesitation, some fear. Okay, so it will become some bias. Okay, so but in wide span flat structure, not a subordinates. Okay, can be communicate easily. Can be direct. That is report the records, report the all the information that is easy manner. Okay, that is a wide span, the plot structure. Okay, that is a plot structure. All the companies follow these kinds of, that is very process of management. The process of management is give some input that is converted into end results. What are the inputs? Man, machine, material, money, some resources. Okay, some resources. So man, machine, material, some money, resources is converted into, that is converted into output. Okay, that is comes the end results. The man, that is very human resource. Without human resource, he can't able to produce anything. Okay, human resource is very, very important. So the manager also one of the human resource. So he only takes some decisions. He wants to make some profit with full involvement. And also laborers, you have to select some laborers. Okay, give proper training. Okay, recruiting, then give proper training, then give apply to the work. Okay, so the laborers also higher, that is a slow learner. Okay, the slow learner workers also involved in the work. So we have they have to give some training to the man. That's a man. Man is a very human, one of the asset. Okay, one of the important asset, valuable asset. That is one of the valuable asset. So you have to give some proper input. Okay, so proper training. Okay, then only they have to involve some full work to the organization. Okay, so man is one of the man. Without no one is not perform well. So every human being can perform well. Okay, so all the managers, all the subordinates, all the supervisors, all the functioning managers, okay, route clerk, okay, then time clerk. So every person is involved in the work, then only the particular organization is gaining more profit. Okay, so next one, machine. Without machine, man is okay, man is there, man is having, but machine is not having. Okay, so without machine you can't produce anything. Okay, to give proper purchasing or manufacturing proper machines and proper resource. Okay, so that is very important thing in the process of management. Material means raw material. Okay, it collects raw material from the other sides. Okay, proper raw material, that good raw material, it will help to the production is very easily production. Okay, it will give production. Okay, so man, you have to appoint some man, then you have to purchase some machine, then you have to collect some raw material, and so it will that is involved in the production. So without raw material you can't able to produce anything. That's a very common thing. Okay, so production is important in the process of management. Okay, with and money. Money means without money, without cash flowing, you can't able to purchase anything. You can't recruit any persons. Okay, that is very important thing in the money. Okay, so money is important thing. So without money is one of the assets. Okay, without money you can't able to purchase anything. Okay, you can't recruit any persons, you can't give any salary, you can't purchase any raw materials. Okay, you can't purchase any machines. Okay, so that is very important thing in the this one. Resource, lot of resource, some local resource, you have local resource. Okay, so local you got purchasing local resource, that also very helpful to the organization. Then planning, you have some, if planning is very important. Without planning you can't start anything. Okay, so that determine the goal objectives. Okay, determine the goal of objectives and apply the plan. Okay, so who is start, then who is preparing that activity, who is that person, who is the manager, who is the particular labor. So you have to make some plan. Then organized. Okay, organizing. You have some plan. Then you have come to the organizing level. So organize all the things. Okay, appoint some work, division of some work, divide some work to the people. Okay, so that is a organizing. That is you have to appoint some committees. Okay, you have to appoint some work. Okay, he is a manager, he is a supervisor, he is a functioning that is a marketing manager, he is a sales manager. Okay, he is a activities of job description of this person. Okay, this is the organizing. Then directive. He okay, you can do it work. Okay, can send the report. Okay, so directing very important thing in this process of management. Okay, direct. Okay, so without directing, you can follow any activity. You can follow up, updating all the works. Okay, every person, every labor is having lot of grievances. Okay, so without directing, you can't able to convey the process. Okay, next controlling is very important. Then discipline, maintain discipline. Then give proper instruction, proper rules and regulations to the organization. Then control manager. Okay, controlling, that is important. That is operation. Without an operation manager, and the operation manager can take all the records. It is very sufficient manner. Okay, so next, so this is a very all the areas are done. So you have to get proper results. Okay, end results. Okay, now achieve the goals. Every company is having lot of goals, so they have to achieve the goals. Okay, and also they will get some outputs. They will get some end results. Okay, so end results is very important. So in some seasons, okay, then during some Diwali season and Pongal season, they gain lot of amount, they get a lot of profits from this source. Okay, so end result is very important. The production manager wants to give total support to all the departments, sales department, marketing departments. Okay, the production means they collect some raw material from the other source. The man is very important. Without him, you can't able to produce anything. Okay, machine also very important. So these are the important resource with the helpful to the goals. Okay, functions. Okay, these are one of the major functions in management. So planning, organizing, directing, controlling, staffing. Okay, staffing, coordinating. This is the process of management. Okay, here these are the management you have to follow. Okay, this is every company they have to follow these kinds of process. Okay, this kinds of process. This is a very important resource. They have to attain the goal, and they reach the goal. They gain the profit. They are satisfying with all the criteria. Okay, I hope you all understand this concept. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you.